Did you know that some frogs can survive being frozen solid? It's true. The wood frog, found in North America, can endure harsh winters by literally turning into a frog cichlid. This incredible survival tactic involves freezing up to 70% of their bodies, with their heart stopping entirely. As temperatures drop, these frogs use glucose and urea to protect their cells, acting like natural antifreeze. Once spring arrives, they thaw out and hop back to life as if nothing happened. Nature's full of surprises, isn't it? These frozen frogs challenge our understanding of life and survival, questioning what we know about biological limits. So, next time you shiver in the cold, remember the mighty wood frog. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.